If you have been trying to cut costs by applying your body lotion on your face, and at the end of the day it caused your face to look rough and it started darkening, this video is for you, because I have the lists of body lotions that you can comfortably apply on your face without getting any reaction or without it getting darker than it used to be. First off, you need to hear this. Not all body lotions are supposed to be applied on the face. People will see a body lotion that is boldly written milk body lotion, and they will go and apply it on their face because milk is attached to it, and we know that milk is always gentle and it makes the skin look beautiful and supple, forgetting that it's boldly written body on the bottle. Some of the lotions you can comfortably apply on your face are lotions that are written just lotion. They do not attach body there, they do not attach face there, they do not attach hand there, they just wrote it lotion. That one right there, you can use it both on your face, hand or body because it's just lotion. So guys, these are some of the lotions you can apply both on your body and on your face, and it will be very good on your skin, no doubt about it. Number one on my list is Correct Slime Lot Vitamin C Lotion. This lotion is very good. It brightens the skin, it moisturizes the skin. Yes, you should try it if you're actually looking for a lotion that you can use both on your face and on your body. The next lotion I'm going to be talking about is the Garnier Vitamin C Lotion. That lotion is a banger, and it's very much affordable. Have you ever tried it before? If you have tried it, tell me in the comment section how it was on your skin. Okay guys, yes, this one will also work for you. The next one I'm going to be mentioning is not really what you're expecting to hear this time around. This one is lotions for kids. Okay, this lotion is very nice. I think I have the bottle right here. Let me get it and show you. So this is the lotion I was talking about. You can use this both on your face and on your body. It works. I used it for like 2 months and it worked for me. I had to use it on my body so that I can be sure of what I am saying. I don't want to come and tell you what I don't know or what I did not try on my skin. I'm very sure of this one. This is my children's body lotion, and I had to try it for 2 months to make sure I come here to give an accurate review. Okay, yes. Next lotion I'm going to be talking about is the Q7 Luminaire Lotion. That lotion brightens the skin, it moisturizes the skin. If you have an even skin tone, this lotion will give your skin that even skin tone. Okay, it will unify your skin and make your skin glow, and at the end of the day your skin will look very beautiful and supple. The next lotion is the Advanced Purity Lotion. This one right here moisturizes your skin, it brightens up your skin, it also unifies the skin, giving you an even skin. Okay, that will even blind your enemies. Yes, your skin will glow, your skin will be brightened up. No kidding about this one. The next one I'm going to be talking about is the Vaseline Daily Brightening Lotion. This one brightens your skin. We all know Vaseline now. Vaseline does not have all these adverse reactions that so many other products do have. Okay, we all know that Vaseline is a good product. Vaseline has been a very good moisturizing lotion. They have been in the moisturizing business for a very long time, and this one I'm telling you about moisturizes your skin, it unifies your skin, it evens out your skin, it just gives you that beautiful glow. Okay guys, yes. The next one on my list is Amlactin. If you know Amlactin, you know that it's an exfoliating lotion. You can use it both on your face and on your body, but the thing here is that you shouldn't use it during the day. You need to use it only at night because of that exfoliating effect that it has. Okay, yes. this one works. If you know, you know this one. If you're an OG, you will know that this one works perfectly well. So what you need to do is, if you're using this lactin, you need to get a different moisturizing lotion that you'll be using during the day, and only use this one specifically at night, only at night, guys. Yes, so this is it for today. I don't really have much to say. All I can tell you right now is, if you haven't liked my video, please do that and like my video. You haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and make me happy, guys. Yes, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.